What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on NY's activity, the NY couple was out having a dinner together with mommies. Mommy Maykao celebrated her birthday with simple dinner with her loved ones. Mommy Maypla posted on Instagram, greeted Mommy Kyo, and she captioned it, dinner with the birthday girl. Wishing you a happiness and good health. May your wish come true. Before they leave to have a dinner in private, Nadek bought a cake for Mami Kyo, surprising with his daddy Yoshio. And they also celebrated the birthday of Mami Kyo, just the three of them. The Pagina family look so happy, especially Daddy Yoshio enjoying his chocolate syrup. No wonder Nadek loves his family so much.